At Renovate in Real Estate, we believe you can achieve financial freedom through property renovation. By learning how to find and buy the right property, make cost-effective improvements, and build a good strategy for sale, renovating can provide a healthy and sustainable income. And you don't have to do all the work yourself. Our online programs will teach you the strategies and techniques to make confident decisions. We give you the resources and expert connections you need to make the process stress-free and profitable. Our vibrant community is a beautiful and supportive place where you can find answers to your questions, explore joint venture partnerships, and form lifelong friendships. You'll have everything you need to be successful on this journey. If you're ready to take renovating to the next level, we're here to help. Have a chat with us today.